As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at these two portable propane grills, the ChuMaste and the Cuisinart Petit Gourmet. Which one should I get?
Okay, let's break them down. The ChuMaste is bigger, right? Like, it's got a 464.8 square inch cooking area.
Wow.
Compared to Cuisinart's 150 square inches. That's a huge difference if you're grilling for a crowd.
Yeah, but the Cuisinart is cheaper, only $139. The ChuMaste is $168.99.
True. But think about BTU. The ChuMaste boasts 30,000 BTUs across 3 burners.
Okay.
The Cuisinart only has 5,500 BTU with a single burner. So the ChuMaste should heat up faster and more evenly, even though some reviews mention needing to watch for grease fires.
Grease fires sound scary. What about portability?
The Cuisinart is definitely more portable. It only weighs 18.8 pounds, and it has a VersaStand that turns it from a tabletop to a freestanding grill. Plus it folds down compact. The ChuMaste is a hefty 51.92 pounds, and it has wheels, but it's still a bigger unit overall.
So the Cuisinart is better for camping?
Absolutely. The Cuisinart is designed for that. The ChuMaste is more for small gatherings in your backyard or patio. It has foldable side tables for prep space, which is nice.
What about cleaning?
The Cuisinart has dishwasher-safe cooking grates, which is a definite plus. The ChuMaste has detachable oil collection cups, but you'll probably have more surface area to clean overall.
Okay. And reliability?
Well, the Cuisinart has way more reviews, like over 3,800, and a slightly higher rating of 4.2 stars. The ChuMaste only has 67 reviews and a 4.1 rating. Some ChuMaste customers mention bent pieces and questionable build quality, while Cuisinart customers have mixed opinions on build quality and heat levels.
So it sounds like it depends on what I prioritize. If I want portability and easy cleaning, the Cuisinart is better. But if I need a larger cooking area and more power, the ChuMaste wins, despite the potential grease fire issue and questionable quality.
Exactly. Think about how you'll be using it most often, and that should help you decide.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.